Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to set different profile pictures on Instagram and Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. If you change your Instagram profile picture and the same picture is automatically set on Facebook, it means that your Instagram and Facebook profiles are synced. If you want to set different photos to Instagram and Facebook profile pictures, you need to unsync their profiles. So to do that, just hit Add Profile icon, then three lines icon, then Settings, and on Settings get into Account Center. Then hit Add Profiles. I got two different profiles here. The first one includes Facebook and Instagram, and the second one is just Instagram profile. So get into a profile which includes both of your Facebook and Instagram accounts, and then just tap where it says Profile Picture. Now all you have to do, if this switcher is toggled on, just hit on it once to turn it off. Then just confirm it. Now you can set different avatars for Facebook and Instagram, and they will not sync. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook and Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.